This is saying
Now, are we talking about? Sorry.
This point says that
are we now
confirm
talking
emergency drill.
about all types of mock drilled, or am I audible by the way or no?
No. I tell you. Let me. Excuse me, Khalid. Let me explain. Actually, this point is the objective as per the ADNOC standard. This point is more applicable when you have a hydrocarbon facility. So when you have done the construction of hydrocarbon facility, before taking the first hydrocarbon in the plant, we must do the drill. But since our project is related to electrical VFD, mock drill for VFD commissioning is not critical. So the contractor has done.
Okay. True. Okay, I got it. But now, Chairman, you can even suggest to ADNOC template, because then you can remove the word emergency and simply say that confirm that drills for so and so have been, and then you can explicitly mention exactly what you want to mention in the next column.
Yes, so I confirm the emergency drill for identified risk have been done.
No, remove the emergency. Remove the emergency. Then you can mention whatever you want to mention. It's general term now.
But Mr. Khalid, if you change the guide word, this become an audit point, because it's not supposed to change our guide word.
Yeah, probably we should not change it.
But then we are answering something which is not asked. Then what?
Okay, maybe you can say not applicable. Yeah, not applicable to our project. Fine. Not applicable, give the reason. Okay.